Training is a vital component of retaining the value of your Atlas 6.1 investment. Our training keeps you up to date on your solution and helps you develop the skills necessary for you to fully maximize the value of your investment. Whether you choose to undertake a private, pre-booked classroom-style training, or you choose to download our online training materials, you can be assured there is a training format not only to suit your business staff needs, but also your personal needs. This course provides you with a general introduction to the Atlas reporting system. The objectives of this course is to provide you with the ability to understand and navigate the Atlas 6.1 ribbon as it applies to reporting, understand and use Atlas 6.1 task panes for inserting and editing, understand the wizard steps for all reporting functions, understand how to use single cell functions for value, text, and lookup. The objectives also include understand how to use table reporting functions like list, summary, and matrix style reports, understand how to save a report as a snippet and then use that snippet at some future date, understand how to create and apply filters, design and apply a lookup, and work with and use the drill down viewers. Prerequisites. Students must be familiar with the business system in which they will be connecting Atlas to. In particular, they must be familiar with how the data is structured. Students must also have basic reporting knowledge to assist them with building a report, as well as good knowledge of the basic features of Microsoft Excel. Training materials. Downloadable training materials, such as the e-learning videos, interactive workbooks, and exercise sheets that allow you to learn at your own pace, on your own time, with the right training aids. Available is a variety of role-based demonstrations and user guides, each rich with tips, shortcuts, and insights that you can refer to time and time again. Atlas training workbooks are very detailed training manuals, designed with a self-taught online training perspective in mind. These manuals range from an introduction level to an advanced level that includes advanced topics and advanced training objects such as performing non-related table joins, caching data locally for optimization outcomes, and creating batch files. Look for a complete list of manuals available from your partner or via the website at www.globesoftware.com. Before you begin this training manual, please check that you have the following access to an online hosted version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM or an on-site, on-premises version of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Data. That the Dynamics CRM organizational tenancy in which you plan to undertake your training contains sufficient data sets to include account data, complete with all company and contact information, sales data, to include lead, opportunity, quotes, orders, and invoice data, inventory data, price list and inventory line item data, marketing data, account, contact, and lead data. Ensure Atlas 6.1 with connectors to the appropriate Microsoft Dynamics CRM installation. If you're using VPC with Atlas differential installed, then this should already be working. That the Atlas 6.1 client is installed on the desktop, in use and configured to point at the training system, with those services installed and tested to be working correctly. The Atlas 6.1 Training Workbook, Introduction to Reporting. The 6.1 Introduction to Reporting Workbook, and the Atlas 6.1 Introduction to Reporting Snippets. This concludes our course introduction. Our next chapter, Atlas Reporting System Overview.